Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat nav in this 2012 Porsche Cayman. So from any screen, if you just want to see where you're going, if there's any bends coming in front of you, just click the map there. Otherwise, into Navi, click address. You've got town and postcode there. Click postcode's easiest. We're Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Whately-Dale, Preston, PR. We now have to change over to numbers. So ABC and 1, 2, 3 is there. 5, PR5, 4, and then we need to put the street. So with Chorley Road, you get so far along and it defaults. It gives you a choice. If there was any more starting CHO, it would give you a list here, and then you just select them and click like so. And we're 277 or near 277. Well, that'll do. We've no number really. And then click Start Route Guidance. That's it.
Please make a U-turn if possible.
Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth system in this 2012 Porsche Cayman. So you've got phone here. Click on phone. You've got find telephone. There's nothing connected at the moment. If we go into options there, you've got Bluetooth settings. Bluetooth settings, new device or device list. So we go to device list, and you can see there's two phones. So that's my phone there. If I want to delete that, just click on it, and you've got rename or delete, and that's it. Delete, delete, click yes, and it's gone. Okay, I'll just show you how to pair your mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2012 Porsche Cayman. So first of all, we make sure Bluetooth is switched on, like so, and then we're watching out for PCM at the bottom. Over to your audio system, click on phone, and you see here find telephone. So we click find telephone, new mobile phone, click there. It's now searching. PCM's come up here, but I want to wait for the phone's found the radio. I want to wait for the radio to find the phone as well. Otherwise it won't pair properly. So there you go, it's found my phone. So I click on there, Mars bar fingers, put the code in 2305, 2305, the number screen comes up here. We click pair, allow contacts and favourites to sync. Go on, I might just be using this car, who knows? And where has it gone? There you go, PCM connected, and it's connected on the car. That's it, that's how you do it.